Happy birthday to you, darling. Oh, that's good.
Delicious.
It is good. Let me fill you up, Buttercup.
Today we are going way up high to the village of Ez, way high up on the mountain. I've always wanted to do this for many, many years on every trip to the south of France, and finally today we're going to do it. We're going to go up there and hopefully have lunch, and the view is going to be spectacular. Are you excited to be going to Ez, Jeff?
I am very excited, especially because the road is so straight and takes me right there. There's hardly any winding, snaky turns or little narrow edges or like 3,000 foot drop-offs on the way. It's just a nice little ride.
Look at the gorgeous view from here. And way off in the distance, see that big yacht? That is the Flying Fox that was docked in the port right across from the apartment we're staying in Nice. We will continue on our trip to the little village of Ez. Well, here we are. Not quite in Ez yet, but there is a gorgeous view from here.
Day of all days. Off we go.
So, Jeff is kidding. It is a long, windy road to the top of the mountain, and this is not his favorite type. This is not his favorite type of driving.
And we're going through the mountain, as you can see.
Well, they can't see. Let me fix it so they can. And here we go through the mountain. It's what the rest of us, people from the U.S., the Northeast, call a tunnel. We are going through a tunnel. having lunch today.
Today, you are having lunch in a very special place. Where are you?
We are in As, and back there is the medieval village that we will be going to after we have lunch.
And to have lunch here, you had to drive 2 kilometers out of town to find a parking spot. Parking must be very hard to find around here.
So it appears.
Okay. Well, have a good lunch.
And it's time for toast. Happy birthday to me. All right. And here we go.
This space here
Yes.
is where Patrick Cotter died in 2020. He came to us just for lunch. And then after lunch, he said, I can make it. Send me up to the top.
The good news is going down should be a lot easier. Cute umbrellas. Ah, I see there's a restaurant over there below the trees. Must have a great view. Winding around. to another crossroads.
Okay.
Came to another crossroads. All right, we're gonna go this way. Could you imagine carrying your luggage up here to get to this hotel? Looks like some sort of a Mandarin liqueur. Oh, it is. Look at this cute little model.
Oh, sure. They tease you that there's an open plaza at the top. If you can make it through the labyrinth without dying.
And we made it down to the bottom. How do you feel about that, Jeff?
Well, in the future, when approaching these hill towns, I recommend everybody bring at least 3 Sherpas. One to carry your bags for you. Second to carry drinks. And the third to carry you back down the hill. Because for us flatlanders, these mountainous expeditions are murder.
And what will we be having this evening? Could you show me the label?
We would be having
I see.
Pink
champagne from
yes,
Rams.
yes.
So this is like the real stuff.
It is the real stuff. It's champagne in France. Pink champagne.
Ooh la la!
Pink champagne, electric candlelight. Happy birthday to you, darling. Oh, that's good.
Delicious.
It is good. Let me fill you up, Buttercup. Why don't you fill me up, Buttercup, baby?
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Filling it up.
We still have to go to dinner.
Of course. Why don't you fill me up, Buttercup, baby? All right. Happy birthday to you, darling,
Thank you.
for your niece birthday. Oh,
For what?
her niece friend. First of many.
I am having a birthday.
I know. All right.
And hopefully it is the first of many.
First of many niece birthdays. Yes.
All depends on you, baby.
Oh, baby. Well, here is the sea cloud. The tall-masted sailing ship built by E.F. Hutton, backing into the dock. Quite the trick of maneuvering, I must say. They've just tossed the first line off to the deck. The crew is on the dock trying to get the first lines to pull ropes back and forth.
If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to click below and subscribe now so you don't miss any of our future videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks. See you next time.